Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 708 of our series. Today, we're diving into clean cars and credit review, everything you need to know for 2025. If you're thinking about going green with your next vehicle purchase, this is the video for you. Let's kick things off by understanding what clean cars are all about. Clean cars, like electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrids, are designed to reduce emissions and help combat climate change. In 2025, we're seeing even more advancements, with longer battery ranges, faster charging, and sleeker designs that make them practical for everyday use. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, credits and incentives. The federal EV tax credit is a big one, offering up to $7,500 off your purchase, but there are updates for 2025 that make it easier to qualify. For instance, more manufacturers are eligible, and some states are adding their own rebates on top of that. We'll break down how these credits work. You need to buy a new clean car and meet income limits to claim them. Plus, don't overlook financing options. Low-interest loans and leases can make owning a clean car more affordable. But it's not all smooth sailing. On the flip side, clean cars can have higher upfront costs, and not everyone has access to charging stations yet. However, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance often outweigh these hurdles. For 2025, experts predict even better infrastructure, with more public charging points popping up nationwide. In summary, clean cars are the future, and with the right credits, you could save thousands. If you're ready to make the switch, check your eligibility on the IRS website or your state's energy department. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your thoughts about clean cars. See you in the next episode.